Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 20, The Wolf and the Shepherds. Once upon a time, there was a wolf who occasionally visited a village. Once he was hungry and tired, and while at the village he decided to hunt a sheep for a meal. When the shepherds realized that the wolf had killed a sheep, they threw stones at him and hurled abuses at him, making him run away from the village. Later one night, the wolf was strolling the village again when he peered inside the shepherd's house. To his surprise, the shepherd's family was enjoying a roasted lamb for their meal. The wolf laughed to himself. When he had done the same, he had been thrown out of the village. Moral lesson: it teaches us that we are quick to judge other people's mistakes, but often ignore ourselves when we do the same. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.